We're gonna make a classic vinaigrette and start by finely mincing a shallot and then add that to a bowl with some Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and then whisk that all together to combine. If you like yours a little bit sweet, you can add in some honey and then slowly stream in some really good extra virgin olive oil and whisk that all together until it's emulsified. You can customize your vinaigrettes and change up the flavor profile by using different vinegars like sherry or apple cider, or skip the vinegar altogether and use some citrus like lemon or even grapefruit. Swap out that shallot for some garlic or red onion and use a variety of different mustards like whole grain or Creole. Sweeten with honey or sugar and use olive or vegetable oil to get your desired flavor. Store your vinaigrette refrigerated in an airtight container for up to a few weeks, or simply toss with your favorite salad and then devour. So stock up on some mason jars, whip up a few different batches, and then keep them in your fridge. They'll stay there for like weeks at a time.